this is Davis. How can I help you?
Yes, I'm getting this error here on my computer.
Technical support. Okay.
Yes,
How can
and
I
what
help
is the
you, ma'am?
problem?
Yes, I'm getting this error Windows Defender security alert.
Okay.
And where
Read
are
the
you
warning
calling
for
from?
me so that I can understand the problem.
Windows Defender security alert. A Trojan spyware has been detected. 0x800 C3231.
And who is the owner of the computer? Is that you or
Okay, that's a
someone else?
network security breach alert that you got on the screen. That means somebody hacked into your computer and they tried to steal your personal information. That is why, for your safety and security, you got the security block. So, what you were doing on your computer when you received this warning?
I was reading my news.
Okay. And when you were doing that, did you click on any kind of pop-up on the screen or any kind of news piece
I don't
that was
think so.
unsecure? Okay. So I'm going to guide you some certain steps so that we can
Alright.
help you with the problem. Okay?
Thank you, Diana.
Look at your. My name is Nancy, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
Mhm.
Now what?
Yeah, it's okay. Now, please look at your keyboard. At the bottom left of the keyboard, do you see the control key?
Yes.
And right next to the control key, which key do you have?
FN.
Next to FN.
Flag key.
Which key?
A flag.
Okay.
Now
So this is a
what?
Windows key.
Oh,
Okay, so
it's a Windows key. Oh, okay. Now what?
okay, now press the Windows key and the letter
Yes.
R at the same
Oh,
time.
got it here. Got it, Nancy. Yes. Thank you, Nancy.
Now,
Type a name of a program or folder, dear, and Windows will open it for you, dear. Which one do you want me to type, dear?
www dot.
Whoa, slow down, Nancy. I can't understand you there.
Okay, it's www dot.
www dot.
It's only 3 W's.
Oh, how many is it?
It's only 3 W's.
Oh. Well, you made it sound like I had to type in 15 or 20 WWs. I was about to say, that's not normal, right?
Only 3.
Only
Okay?
3. Only 3. Okay, I will remember to tell myself only 3 each and every time. Got it. Now what?
Okay, and after that,
Yes.
type U as in United,
As a unicorn, yeah.
and L as in Linda.
Oh, my best friend's name is Linda. We've known each other for 65 years. That's a long time, huh?
And
Do you
then
have any
T as
friends
in
that you've
Tom.
known that long?
I'm not that old, ma'am.
Oh.
Okay? I'm just 29.
Oh, you're 29. Wow, you're young. You should make sure not to get old like me, because then we have these problems where we don't know computers, you know.
Okay?
Yes,
So-
Linda.
Okay, after Linda, it's
Yes,
T.
Linda.
T as in Tom.
Oh, my best friend's name is Tom, too. I've known Tom for 61 years, though. Here. Now what? Yes,
And then
dear.
R as in Robert.
R as in Robert, or robbed, or robbed. Huh, like Robert. I know Robert, too. Yes, here. Now what here?
Okay, and A as in Apple.
A as in any. Like any type of problem you can get. Oh, wow. Okay, I got it here. Yeah, now what here? Yes.
And then A as an apple. After
Apple.
P,
Well, I have apples all the time here at my apple farm. Now what?
a V as in Victoria.
Victoria. Do you know someone named Victoria?
No, ma'am.
Oh, well, who do
And
you
then
know?
I as in ice cream. And I as in ice cream.
Ice cream. I love ice cream.
And then
Yes.
E as in echo.
Yes, Echo, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream, dear?
Vanilla. And
Oh,
then
I love
after
vanilla.
E, it's
Vanilla's great. I have vanilla ice cream almost every night. Now what?
W.
You know what vanilla?
After E is
Now what?
it's W. W as in Washington.
Oh, Washington. I've been to Washington, D.C. before. Have you ever been to Washington, D.C.?
No, ma'am.
Oh, well, you should go there because you would see a lot of things if you went to Washington, D.C. But have you ever been to Washington or have you been out there, dear?
Don't worry.
Oh,
I'll definitely
I'm not
go there.
worried.
So
You should be worried, but I'm not worried. Okay,
Okay,
now what?
after W,
Dummy.
type E as an echo.
Yes, and each and everything. Are you going to help me with each and everything? I just want to make sure. Now what?
Now what do you see?
Hello?
Okay. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, what did you type at the last? What did you type?
Ultraviewer.
Okay, after the ultraviewer, type
Yes.
.net.
Dot
.net.
NET. Do you have a husband there?
No, I don't have a husband.
Oh, I thought I heard a man in the background talking to me. I was kind of shocked because I think we're the only ones talking, right?
No, that was my voice.
Oh, oh, I'm sorry. Oops. I didn't mean to offend you there. Did I offend you? Oh, God. I'm sorry. I offend everyone.
No, you didn't offend me.
Oh, I didn't offend you. Well, that's great.
Okay, once you
Now what here, dear? Now
and
what?
once you type .net, then press enter on the keyboard.
All right, I hit here. I hit okay here. Now what, dear? A web page came up. Dear? Dear?
Yes,
Ultraviewer.
can you hear me?
Yes, it came up here, dear.
Okay.
Ultraviewer, dear.
Okay,
Have
did
you
you
seen
see the-
Ultraviewer before, dear? Is this what we're doing, dear, or what are we doing, dear?
Okay. Now, do you see the download option
Yes,
in the
dear. I
green
see
box?
download option, but it sounds like there's a door opening and shutting there. They must be really late at support, but anyway. Oh, man.
Okay, what did you say?
It's a-
Now, okay,
It's a
just
green
click
box.
on the
It's a
download
green
option.
box, you know.
I can hear you, ma'am.
Yes.
Probably. Okay.
Oh,
So,
you couldn't
did
hear
you
me?
click on the download option in this?
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I was hitting the download option. I was kind of just laughing here because you said that, what you just said was funny. I'm sorry. Okay, now what? I just hit the download option.
Now, what you got on the green
Ultraviewer
app?
underscore setup dot 6 here. Now what, dear? Dear, do I want to
Open
run
the
this
Ultraviewer.
program, run or cancel, dear? Which one, dear? Here. Which one, run or cancel,
Click
here?
on run.
Here or there? Which one here? Here.
ultraviewer setup. Do you
Oh,
see the
I must
ultraviewer
run that
setup?
one for each and everything? Okay, I did it. I might not be very, very good at the computer, and I'm sorry for that, but I'm learning, I think. Do you think I'm really good at computers?
You're doing great.
Oh, that's good.
Okay,
Because
tell me.
my husband decided that it would be a good idea just to skip town here when I'm having all these problems, you know. I think it's because he didn't want to deal with it. What do you think?
It's totally okay, ma'am. So just
Oh, that's messed up,
tell
huh?
me, do you see the
Never,
ultraviewer?
never,
Do you
never,
see the
never,
ultraviewer?
never, 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 never marry a guy that cannot help the husbands and the wives, you know. Now what?
Okay.
Now what? Now what here?
Do you see the ultraviewer setup? You need to click on that and open it.
Oh, yeah, I hit it, but does your husband ever leave on vacations like that?
Just give me a moment, ma'am.
Yes. I hit here and it says run or cancel.